Welcome again. As I go tell all of us, our program is called Good Morning from Benin. I will still look the matters that when be safe for ground. Whether you like them or not, season, with the rainy season and the rest. But the game one that season when be say we still there for Edo State, now be the season of election. For time when be say you know go take September 19, now be say they go do election for Edo State. Everything all the tick they come. But this matter when be say concern the Edo State election when be say you not far again. No, when you just stretch your hand like this, you go reach there. So you not far again. So we go look this matter well. How things they happen, where they happen for there. So according to Igbo people, before, during, and after, what we would expect. We got people here when we say we will talk to our friend and brother here. They are Daze Mata. Welcome to our program.
Yeah, thank you, Thomas Sado, for receiving me for this on our program, and good morning to our viewers for house.
Okay, we still get our friend and brother here, Solomon Ijogbe. Welcome to our program.
My brother, I greet you very good morning this morning. And my people for house, I salute you now very well. Now, good morning. Now,
I want to find out from you before we go too far. That's your name, now Ijogbe, Igiogbe, or Ijogbe?
Idiogbe.
Idiogbe.
I-D-I-O-G-B is the same thing. Now it be for Benin
Igiogbe.
Where that hand and Igiogbe, now Benin.
So the issue will be Idiogbe.
Yes.
So if you look at this Idiogbe and the rest of them, that means say, please when we say family forget that be IDB.
No, nah. It be like when we say children.
Okay.
When we say the basic settlement of
the family. So now we almost sitting on the top. So whether we like our family they inside. And if you look at now, for us the election, the people don't get their own family then. You understand? For time when we say no APC come, they get their own family, or people when we say can do election, they will put Ganduji there, and other people there for the committee. Now one family when they prosecute the election. PDP still get their own too. They do they bring Wike come and the rest. What do you feel say be the role of this Idiogbe, of this family for inside the election?
Basically, the role of the two Igiogbe as it be. Now, you know, say for Nigeria now, nobody go feel run for election without saying not get Igiogbe.
Okay.
So if you can't look at where, because if waiting among the thing where they talk, say make our politics for Nigeria make it big, make it grow past the stage where it's still there, so people feel they run as individual person. But as of today, if you not get political party will be Igiogbe, you not go fit carry equity, you not go fit carry ballots.
Okay.
So as it be, the role of these different political parties now to ensure say you bring person will go carry your flag, they go run say now una they support them.
Okay.
So for the major thing what they go do now, because all this Igiogbe where they talk so with the political party, they get what they call structure. Where we say it cut from top, come reach down. Meaning say people they grant where they support them, whether for or against. Like for APC, we get people where we say they did there for national, for state, for local government. We still know say the other party for that side, they still get their own, like you mentioned just now. But however, what will be the major role? All of them get their ideology. Where we say, now what we believe, we won't do this, we won't do that. Good enough. The man will come out for our own now, can't go the other side. Now why Igiogbe na carry and come? If today the other people they talk say you do this, if at all anything they way you do, not forget say now the Igiogbe, the family name where we give them, now you take do all those things. So when you they talk, make you not forget to Neru Gima, because now we now bring
the picking up.
Because to keep picking not easy.
But this is that community now, whether I like them or not. Now where for grow. Now community and they grow, now they train people.
Even when the community they grow and the papa and mama get big role where they train, because if pikin not good, now papa and mama now they talk to. If he bad where the papa go use to drop body, till they tell mama say now your pikin.
Okay,
vice versa. So this one, if you talk anything where they way good, say don't do it. We agree, say do it. But now why Igiogbe now take do it.
Okay.
If you come your own and make una use now more they see.
Okay, we day here, my brother. You see. We don't talk that PDP gets their own, this way they bring come family now to prosecute this election, headed by Wike and some other people. They inside governors, senators, all of them they inside, they from other states there. And so you still be for the other side, even people from the state too still they inside. I go find out from you again, in what way, we can never ask you before now if I ask, in what way you feel say, yes, say, this kind of people, when they constitute now, go fit, which role they could play to make sure, say, yes, say, the political party, when we say they represent, like PDP now, Wike, which role they go fit play to make sure, say, yes, say, PDP will win election?
Yeah, thank you, Sado, for that question. You know, now discuss one matter from his own aim, Idiogbe, which is the same thing as Idiogbe. Because I know explain them well, because Idiogbe are legal concepts under our native law and custom.
Okay.
It's good at least make our viewers understand the real
The
position.
way where you take no one.
You know, not the way the law talk am, not the way I take no one.
Okay.
And I teach law. I don't teach family law for over 8 years.
Okay.
Idiogbe is not, as it were, just kindred family. Now building. Here deceased Benin man live, died, not necessarily where they bury him. So now because you get one thing they put there, they call them Ihure. The ancestral family staff. And you know, over the years, Supreme Court don't talk, say now the elders surviving son will inherit Idiogbe. Right? So
Okay,
I
so
just say
na
I put that one in the house.
So na house.
So how
but the house, what they made, they don't be family, they make the house.
Of course.
So
but now elder surviving son, they inherit that house. Not be any other Peking.
Okay.
So I just say I put that one in perspective.
Okay, make we
and
look-
in this case, when you can look at the Edo political architecture between brothers, because between Godwin Obaseki and Izeyamo, who is the older? Of course, now the governor be older, both in age and in rank. Because in 2016, as the older brother, he defeated them. He beat them, hands down. And by the grace of God, in 2020, coming to your question, Wike are the head of that campaign. Wike get history of winning elections.
Okay.
You see what Wike do at Mechi for Rivers? They clear everything for Rivers. So when you get that kind of person, you get that history. We never see him say bring out dollars or pounds from Baba Riga. He never do anything. He say you will come talk, say the man, very clean history. His wife not judge. The man as governor, he don't perform very well. If you go Rivers State, it might be like London. Just the way the governor don't develop the state. So it's going to be an issue-based campaign. Operation Show Your Work. If you don't serve for government, as Oshomole talk, you cannot separate yourself from that government. His opponent was in government for 8 years. Roads around the area in Ofido. Now governor can't do those roads around where Zeyamo they stay. And they use this one as talking point. Because if you say person do well, now your opponent's area you will look. How well did it fare in his opponent's area? The governor, if you go that area, the roads they did there, from there you can reach Sapele Road with ease. Even a dual carriage road they do for them there. So now with that kind of background, make even PDP say, we need this man to fly our flag. You get Wike and other PDP governors.
You need the man to fly a flag, or the man say, yes, say, you not get where go for fly
No,
flag
the thing
now.
is,
Now you say, yes,
no, the thing is,
the
when
PDP has sent petition to them.
he meets them, say, look my situation. Oh.
Okay.
These people, they know Oshomole, because now Oshomole now hand this Wahala day, now hand, we need to focus on who make the man leave the party.
For them,
They
talk about
don't fight
issues.
him. They don't fight him since, because now your question now make me they go there. They don't fight him within the party, EPM and the rest. They can't disqualify me, not play any role for primaries. Now make him leave APC, go PDP. And as he go PDP, he was well welcomed.
Okay.
They grant him
So
waiver.
now what
He
you
got the
clear?
tickets. He got the tickets through due process. They do primaries. People vote. Others don't step down, but they still go ahead, vote for them. Result, they announce results. Litigation free.
Yeah.
As we speak, PDP now they court for any matter. But I know we want to talk of APC because the case too plenty. At last count, they have over 10 cases for court.
Okay.
So it's quite unfortunate say they get that kind of situation. I not add the Tifi EFCC case join them. I just talk civil cases over candidate, over party dispute and the rest. No house. You get that kind of kata. And as we will talk, the way APC they sink, even Titanic, they even sink past Titanic, that ship.
You know what it is, I want to be very careful with our choice of West and the rest. So we will know how this will
Of course, now the truth. Now
we
we
talk the
talk.
matter, not be this. Man, come to you, Solomon. You see, Wise King. I come to you, man, and ask you and say, if you look the way the thing they go and all of that, issue based, I say you talk now, say now people all can talk. For you and the rest now, we are a bit saying I want to pull leg now, say this now waiting with a pull leg, say want to do. When you talk say yes, we could look on yesterday, they marry our today.
You know, say, before I go put mouth for the question where you ask, I need to clear a few things. You know, if you know my name, pass me.
Yeah.
So your own legal interpretation, what you think they do for court, they carry person house and all that. Now you explain. Okay. That will not be my name.
Okay.
Idiogbe is a common thing for Benin. We know that one. That on the one side. Two, I go like when we they talk. We'll talk facts. I'm going to remove personal vendetta or try to the when I say vendetta I mean say to go to put mouth for person. May we talk about the issue.
The matter.
Yeah, because when my brother they talk just now, I talk about EFCC Tifi matter. Your party chairman did that case. Your former party chairman did that case. You talk about APC get many matter. You a matter institute some of the cases because you do APC then they do area for inside spoily. So make we not come dey put ourselves white when we know say we get skeleton for inside cupboard. So make we come out for what in English they call calumny. That's bad belle politics. More go issue based politics. Okay. Now you ask what you want pull leg. You know say Bini go say koto adami to no boka okero gbodoro. Wetin e mean say na from time immemorial na the thing dey. You understand? Mago not dey. The BT not dey inside. He dey clear. E be like wetin Bible dey come in take care of us.
What you be doing want to?
That one dey inside Bible say na biblical quote say na wetin people as you dey see am na so the thing wanted dey be.
Okay, like Ishan people say wetin you kiss out for ground.
So you see this whole thing. You talk about wetin we get simple agenda. We talk about security. We talk about integration. So we talk about so many things wey be say it go benefit. You know, it go interest you to know say today when our brother Oga they do allow now our simple agenda now they for still and go they use them. Okay. So all those ones that matter what would they look at? Would they look at welfare? Would they look at things wey go benefit the common man? You talk about our candidates say he do SSG not be governor. Okay. Chief of staff not be governor. But let me say it very quickly. As SSG, many Edo people benefited upon the policy wey join the government they create. Today, when they talk of, even though say your guy come close College of Agric for Igoriahi and all those who sample, all those ones now part of the things where them my candidates do when they for that party that time. So that one I just to mention but a few. When you know whole matter of leadership, sometimes we go talk say in your guy as it be governor now be economic advisor to Adam Soshomole, where they do water storm project, where they do this. My brother here, me and I don't even jump for Kakaki for AIT. You go quit and you say no, it was just a servant to government, not get say. But when he reach my candidate, you go say he gets say. So you not go feel they approbate. They reprobate at the same time. Talk and go here, talk and come the other side when you reach. Now, to face the issue, we get the people for mind. We go, if you and I know, you know, say security is a major issue for Edo State as of today. Only 2 days ago, our brother will get one big business for Edo, narrowly escaped death for the hand of kidnapper. Okay. I dey watch one thing for television this morning where some people they put gun for inside motor. Kidnapping don't dey on the increase for Edo. Even before we enter set just now they talk, we talk about rape. And they say wait for inside this studio where they talk say no rape. All these ones are insecurity. Now,
but this rape in a national.
No, I say na insecurity for Edo State. Okay. The rate where we take the say here, I'm not sure say na the same rate dey everywhere.
Okay, you know.
Yes. So at the talk, we dey bring them to as it take consign us for here as it take dey happen. Now we can't say our brother will be governor. Can't set up one outfit at a point call our bicycle. But you and I know now, say, that was bicycle. Now, as you take on and say, take that, because every motor you bring now, Chinese motor, you know, so this Chinese thing, they're not the two last. So, as we see them.
But COVID-19, coronavirus don't the last.
It doesn't go. I said not the two last. It doesn't go in the way it take off. Okay. Because even our border, where it reach that COVID-19, you put law. Me and you see and the way the country do for stadium. After they don't do their stadium primary, the kind of that when they type put for the COVID-19, everything just closed down. Plus, people will go to do screening before for street. We see as a country they cry, they come out. Oh, bubu yeah, do everything. Now all this kind of bubu yeah, where kill like they now they look. Rain fall now, for instance, my brother Sado. You and I know say we know the feel past street of Benin. Pastor House has sunk. Now new music where they Benin now. That one happen for Benin City, not be for another place. James not the fit carry water, all this gutter where water supposed to dey pass, not dey pass. All this na the issue. What they look at say na responsibility of government. I was surprised that day they watch una this our television when the commissioner for environment come out dey talk say not be government duty to dey clear gutter. You even interview am, you can't ask and say na you dey surprised. You can't say no, not be so inte talk am. So point why they talk say certain responsibilities dey wey government suppose do. We know they see now all these things now our person what would they bring from our party they say now waiting the one can repair because one thing na to identify problem another one na to fix them.
Okay, no problem. You see, you get the waiting they talk now say faith promises don't they? You get 4 years to stay as the governor of Edo State. You don't do the first 4 years now. Then they talk now say promises they when you be say you say you make say them fail. So I want to reconcile this one now because it go hard now. Say, person affected say I go do this one for them, do that one for them, not do one for them. They come again say, how?
You know, it's very unfortunate when you hear people talk about roads and as if not be the same in all of us day. And they always make reference, and I don't make that reference before, to Izeyamo area, the way they do those roads for that side. And now so they don't do roads for many places. They don't do many other things. School, we don't build school. We don't, not be just to build school, now to ensure say students say they go that school, they feel learn well.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, there's no sector in this government of our church. And I know people that want come out on election day vote.
Right.
Now I know people now go decide say if governor do well, because the way we don't hear good things, they don't talk. You talk of health sector, you see our COVID-19 response. You talk of sports, you see Ogbe Stadium. You see across the states, the way they don't revamp sports, you know, sports development. The last time we get this kind of thing, during the time of Ogbomodia. In terms of welfare, the sportsmen, Bende Insurance, they don't revive Bende Insurance. You know, you talk of education. Our state university never get this kind of facilities they get. They don't get new faculties. They get.
No, but Intel
coming back to the issue of faith education. Because when I hear faith promise, I wonder
okay,
because
you talk about,
we should be able to
wait first now. You talk about the color of education.
My address that one.
Greek when we see the day before.
Now, as you don't ask your question, I know the specific
areas
we
address them, right.
First of all, College of Agriculture, Igoraki. Now, even right from Oshomole time, they closed that institution. Okay. And unfortunately, when you look at the facilities on ground, the governor now said you cannot run an educational institution like this.
Okay. Now, Oshomole don't lose.
Wait, yes, they don't lose.
No, I want to learn now. Oshomole
yes, so that time they don't close that school.
Okay.
I have a cousin there.
Okay.
For a very long time, they were out of work. As governor come, he can't look at the facilities. Even ITV and EBS, they even go there. That place be like where they put pig.
Okay.
Governor now said no. This is unacceptable. So they don't revamp them. Even the school they AFUZI, they want to ensure that they decentralize. There's even a law to decentralize it across the three senatorial districts. More talk of a Ekadolo. One of the reasons why initially I didn't support the governor in 2016 was because of the way and manner Oshomole casualized the staff of that institution. You deceive us, say you want to establish University of Education, but there was nothing really on ground. You can't take the resources if you establish a Ekadolo where go establish a new university for your village. And again, that university established for a village, how many people go there? Ekadolo now is now a federal college of education, called our governor. Because you discover, say, we get state university for Ekpoma, we get state university for Iyamo, we get state polytechnic
for Iyamo.
And already, you don't do many of this. Why not decentralize in a way that we get federal polytechnic for Auchi, we don't get federal college of education. So as a man, they think, you know, say the moment you push it into federal government, the burden of paying workers, the burden of doing certain things will shift to federal government. Now, so you need to become federal university. Now, waiting, man, they say get intellect go do. So all the things that they talk about the Ekadolo, even the institution now, most of the structures they were built by the state government. Okay, government done they do a whole lot of work there.
Okay, more turn the face of this motor on that gear take follow. So the matter when basically say it concern the political party when the government then are the PDP.
PDP, yes.
Yeah, I would see some people talk and say how it be they not happy with the way it be say the governor take come. And one of that person I be Kazim Afegboa. He come out, he will talk and say, he no go vote for the governor. So for someone like you to come out, can't talk him. So you say, you don't want that kind of a thing. But say, more people go fit dey inside like that. After going, if more people dey inside like that, say as it be, just because of this thing. This is the same party when we say they talk on, when we say even you when you do for the other side before they put so many accusing figure at the political party. And the same party when we say if talk on before say say this man, not be person when we say will fit deal with. Now everything just can't be like this now. We know if say those people when we say get dissecting voice or maybe say they don't believe in the same governor like Fegboa, how do they handle people them issue?
You know, say as they talk for parable, in every 12 there must be a Judas. And Jesus not the 12 disciples again. One was a Judas. Even within PDP, we know who be who. Kasim Afegba, the question you go ask, who be Kasim Afegba? Is a spokesman to Oshomole. So when spokesman of Oshomole, he did PDP.
No, the last one
because okay. For the past 1 year, he has been speaking on behalf of Oshomole. I've appeared severally on national TV with Kazim. He was defending Oshomole. So what do you expect from him? I never saw a situation where Kazim will now decide to support the governor. The problem has always been this issue of the governor does not carry us along. The stomach infrastructure problem. Now, one of those issues here, they say, naturally, go make people, they say, governor not do this for us, he not do this for that. But at the end of the day, Kazim is just one out of over 1 million. PDP members for the states, they embrace it.
If you want to call with a calculation, 1 out of 12, and for 1 million, how many 12 days?
No, the point is, I said in every 12 there's a Judas.
So
that proverb.
Okay.
When you see only one man they talk, you can't say, who be this man?
Okay.
Now, because me and you don't ask ourselves the question, say, who be this man? We can't discuss an Oshomole person.
Okay.
Because when you are a PDP member and you are always defending Oshomole, who was the APC national chairman, you are a whip, you are a sheep in a wolf in sheep clothing. And that is what it is. So Kazim as a person, now one vote in gets as an individual.
The same question when I ask you now, I go ask you, the place of, everybody call them moles. I mean, not they call them. Say this person is not supposed to be here, now they here. You understand? Now, we get people like that. As we get that for the PDP, when we say Kazim there for PDP, we all know that can't carry member for a PDP. Now, if the talk can come up from national television and say, he no go vote for this man, the governor, for a party. You know, we get some of them like that inside the APC, whether we like them or not. Because I'm not be a politician, but now with no sense of politician go to say, yes, if they come, make everybody come, but make you remain there, make you do what you want to do. And you talk something like that just now. You talk like that just now. In this kind of a situation, what did the APC they do to check all of this kind of a thing? Now waiting go add to now be that one, I've been waiting for you to remove from now.
Before I go reach there, I go also quickly want correct a few things, then I'll navigate.
Okay.
You know good make with the two cast what they call aspersion on people. It not too sweet me. I am like for inside the party. It don't serve many people. When you say na aid, if you don't know, na aid to Jara Buhari. So may you not get them wrong.
Buhari
he work
Babangida.
to Babangida, sorry. Having said that, you also they talk. Kazim served for Adams government with your guy. So he know him. And so when they come to describe person where he know, he go also want to tell you how I take know
this person, right?
Yes, you understand. So everybody get right for the party where they not their APC for different. Before I also carry that one anchor why APC on take different. Now on the fact to say you say Adams now close College of Agriculture for Igoriake. Now Adams now still close Edo line. Now just now so you go see talk now. Then now Adams now close College of Education. Thank God say quickly mention and just now say he quickly remove him burden. Go give Adams so he take him as state-owned tertiary institution for education because not get state education institution, University of Education. Now basically there were issues, but the man not close them. You go say, Benin go say, I will bogbe no le madam. Normally, you meaning to say, you say, make juju keep person where cook bad
when Papa the down when sit
the one where not cook at all. Adam say, not close them. That the work he said, make the education, current education, run side by side with the university as they go. So you can say the last phase of the education people go phase out while the university go take up properly. As they do that one, now our governor take over. You don't come, you say issues there, you close them down. The same thing you do to Edo. Of course, there were also issues in Edo line. You understand? You come, you close them down, pata. Not be you not cook on the dam. It's not better the person who even cook where seeds there or leave that one. Now I say that the party APC different from PDP. APC if you say you get right to express your view. You see, say, people dey, yes, of course. Some of their friends, where they leave behind, where they some the form say, now so they be chairman, now so they be this for different area. We not worry. The party, they say, okay, fine. Because even for your house, Ogasado, you and your wife and children, not fit talk the same time at the same time.
Or you go tell pikin something,
yeah, you go tell you say, no.
You go grumble, If
you not go, yeah, you not go kill him. Sometimes you go say, let him have his way. Sometimes you go say, come here. And I'm not born you. Go do this thing as I say, make you take one. So now, so APC take the handle in people. That's why you see, say, the matter, they go kule. You they get, because you not go fit say you dey political party, say issues not dey. Even party where be say they not dey government, they get issues. A few days ago, I see some people come up from one political party, say they go join one political party. They not be chairman, no, they not be secretary, they not be deputy. They say they don't collapse their political party. Yet that party get governorship candidate too. You don't understand? But I can't wait. Even the party chairman not even bother answer am. Because if he say, nah, you get right to go do what you want to do. Now, so APC take look people will be say, then they say APC, that they carry, they shout, Togans, they go for streets. We no bother. The issue be say, you know what the lap me pass?
You never tell me.
A few days ago, I just see one guy wear PDP cap. He wear PDP cap in the campaign. He say 4+4, he still write and put for the cap. Now I come ask, when PDP come government, whether they say 4, they don't do 4 years. They never do 4 years. So they say 4+4, PDP talk back. Now I come they ask, which time PDP take do 4 years for a do whether they want add another 4 years.
Okay, before we continue, more let us know, say you see the number one day on top of our when they end and the number one you go call, make we hear your own view about this whole thing. If you want to talk, ask your questions, I beg. Make you no talk to people. Just go straight to the matter when you say you for ground. Talk out the matter before your belly. I know maybe I say you cast as passions. According to my brother, when they speak grammar, just say for anybody, say that so person be, no be so you be, so you must talk against that. We don't want that one. Just go straight to what you be, so you want to talk. And the number 90 for S, so 052-290573. Just quick.
So as I they talk and they go, so the party they free. Now, open, and they don't talk about Adams Rich. The man know the answer. Now, one thing I want to tell my people, my brother for years, so Adams know they do election for 2020. You know they carry ballots. You know now the election are between party PDP and party APC. The election are between Osage. No, what I mean because two of us now they here now. Okay. Then are between Pastor Osage Ezeyamu and Nora Asa Obaseki. So make we sometimes they look at because we talk now Adams today now private citizen. Not be chairman for APC national again. Not be person will be say now say he must do something where be say carry people. So he now gets his own civic right as a citizen of Nigeria and of Edo State to decide who he want join. And that is how they expect say that people go decide who they want follow. Make una also leave this party for people who they decide say they want follow the party and vote for who they want vote. They tell us what you don't do, what you want to do, what you get to do. We do with Pastor Osage Ezeyamu go tell you say see what you want to do, see what you don't do. We do agripreneur. We get farms. Ezeyamu as individual get farm where people say they produce, where people they see buy.
Okay.
As an individual, he employ people.
Okay.
Yet your brother promise us 200,000 job. We not see. Agriculture we say won't bring in the name of government. We don't see plenty osugigo money where don't enter. The produce we not they see. So all these things are something we won't bring to the fore. Say if this man as an individual, if he manage in business, if he manage in house, if he manage in family, if he manage where he belong, he go fit manage Edo people and hold Edo in trust for the people of Edo State.
Okay, may I come to you, my brother, because Bilal don't talk so many things now. When Bilal say yes, we go let them be before the courts as they come in, as they come. So, my brother, in this day of election, now on the 19th, because don't talk before election now, on the 19th of this thing of September, for you, where you think yes, the thing go and why go there?
Yeah, thank you. Before I answer that question,
all of us the big mistake.
No, because we need to correct certain impressions. Okay. Because now people are listening to us.
Okay, all of us the big mistake we correct.
They say that during the time of Governor Obaseki, they close Edo line.
no,
Nothing can
Edo-
be,
Edo
excuse me,
City,
wait
City,
now.
Abi?
No,
Edo line.
Edo line, okay.
Nothing can be further from the truth. By the grace of God, we are all and almost equal stakeholders. You know, good man will come here, come to talk with you, not the truth. We know say during the time of Oshomole, Edo line did not operate. The only thing we hear is they come to sell some of the properties of Edo line.
Okay.
Those ones, they
I
are
thought I
outside.
just I say there were issues.
we
You not
get-
close
we
them.
get person from
Others
Edo.
not close Edo line.
More take this
Our
call.
people, they watch us.
Okay,
So
more
they-
take this call.
No, not also go they tell people say
Okay,
nah.
wait, now, more take
I
this
talk,
call.
so-
Somebody there, hello, good morning. Yeah, who will they talk with you?
They talk to Louis from Iwoba.
Okay, what you want make we know?
The girl matter with una dey discuss their own life make am good about you. So my own concern is men wey dey I like the way they dey address the issue. But one thing I want take note is body not suppose come back to the station for the lie.
I don't get you. I don't hear that one.
I say it's not good make somebody come national television for because of politics they come they lie to the public.
Okay.
The issue of a dull line that even the president of Oshomole now take closer.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know how that one take concern about
Thank you.
you understand so
You there with
that
you?
is my concern. So and even when Oshomole close the dull line, me I through the bomb me commit a dull line. I was so shocked when Oshomole came on board they close the dull line. That has nothing to do with Obaseki. That is one. Then two, with the issue of Chadolo, Oshomole, the atrocity committed in Chadolo is so obvious. Oshomole close guys, you see those people say you want to put university for Chadolo, they carry the money to go build the new private university for Iyamo, where he plan to turn to himself in the name of Edo University. But thank God, because of us taking the educated, so you know when somebody will not be educated, they are the staff people, and when somebody will be educated,
Like this area now, BCS say I no go too there at home with you. You go refine that area, beg. Person will be educated, person will not be educated.
what thing I dey try talk be say, I said because Obaseki be educated, now he make am wey be say that Chadolo issue, you know see the way they do also. Now it's now Federal College of Education. Just the same way we have Federal Polytechnic at Awuji. Because the man was, he know waiting for the future, not for now, not be the Greek, we want it, the plan ahead for the future for the Edo people. So Oshomole, they will not beside the condemn I doing.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Make we know people when we say they talk about the two people when we say they contest now, the governor and Ize Yambo and some other political people. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Well done, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. I better reduce the volume of your television. We know they hear you. The noise too much there.
No verse.
Yeah, no, let me verify. Best you go beat me now. One of
program is very interesting.
Okay.
Sometimes some people they don't get work. That man when they talk against
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, who would you talk with?
This is Chief Sonny Opu.
Okay.
I'm calling you from 30 seconds.
Okay.
So what thing I want to contribute, now those people who they talk to, people know who they want to give their mandate. So when this one will come, talk this one. It's two people, APC and PDP, we know them very well, especially that of Israel. So we know what they don't talk. That of Oshomole is not a easy thing at all. So we need to be open up. So we know where we are going to start. So it's for we are not voting for.
Okay, no wahala. We get another call when they for line. We'll take this other call. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. My name is Lawrence. I'm calling from River State, Port Harcourt.
Okay, River State. How that side this morning?
Bye, my brother. Thank you. My question is for the man to the aide to the governor. If you say not be Governor Obaseki close Edo line, my question to you now is who closed the Edo line? And number two, I don't know whether you're hearing me.
We're there with you. Sure.
Number two is this. The erosion problem for Edo State, what we see both on social media and television here, is alarming. How can a city governor 4 years of administration going to 4 years like not tackle erosion problem for roughly 4 years like not tackle erosion problem, and he's seeking for the election again? To me, I don't think he deserves to be re-elected. Make another person come. Make another person. I'm not be threatened in any political party. But
it's okay. We'll take another call. We'll hear what you say. We talk. We'll take this other last one. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
My name is Ken Osaro.
Okay, Ken, how you doing this morning? Hello, Ken.
Yes, so morning. I bet the quick one when I want to talk is the erosion problem when that man they talk about. It be like say we don't forget our immediate past. Una don't forget stormwater project. I don't know day here when they say they carry billion naira say they want to do stormwater project.
Yeah, we did.
Supposing we complete that project, we go to get erosion problem today. I beg now, make we don't talk like people who know this Benin now. That man.
Oh, we lost that call. He talked about the stormwater projects and everything, saying that the former government now starts this thing before Obaseki come, they don't finish the project. You know, maybe you take it from there after the roundup.
Yes, as I go round up, thank God say somebody don't also help correct some of the issues. When I talk just now, I talk about Edo line. I said during Adams there were issues. But not be Adams close the Edo line. So we'll get that one clear. But having said that, when you talk about Waterstone projects, thank God say they, if you don't know, we were there. You know, so when Adams day, Adams the economic advisor in Godwin.
Okay.
I seen day now, Godwin day now, we don't know economic advisor. Now in the economy. The Waterstone project was actually bettered by Godwin as the economic advisor. Then the architectural redesign was done by Clem Agba as the Commissioner for Environment and Public Utilities as he did that time. The work yes, that is I go there so done by Oge as Commissioner for Works. Adams was the governor. The match away our Ogawe day take come saying our continuity. Now they gather now in company Afriverse now join access funds from World Bank where they take get the money, the loan where they take infuse for that, inject for that project. Now one of the major campaign where Oga Obaseki take come. Now say he go continue from where Adam stop. Okay. And Waterstone project are one of the very main project. Okay. He to say the controller, my brother.
Hear from you.
Excuse me. The issue of
no, you quick talk.
Briefly mention the issue of Edo line. Now during the time of Oshomen, they destroyed.
That one's clear.
Then for the Waterstone project, over the period Oshomen was in government, they collected over 70 billion. From the capital markets. But unfortunately, when the governor came on board, there was really nothing to show for the funds. But the good thing is this present governor is part of the fact, say, the money, they chop that money. But look what he do for Tesami. Look what he do for Ekawa. He has continued in addressing this erosion problem. Even for Maria for Okoro, there's a very big drainage you've done. And you can discover, say, now, the erosion problem, they don't solve at least by 80%. But not one thing. That is why he needs 8 years to complete this project.
Thank you so much, Solomon Jogba. When we say you come here, thank you so much. You don't tell us your own view about this, how they build up to 2020. I know say you don't try your own view too.
Thank you for having me.
I will show say this matter. We will still get part 2 of our.
Very well.
We'll continue. We'll take some more break now. We'll continue for where we say we'll stop again. Now we program Good Morning from Benin. I'm not going anywhere. Stay with us.